Hey everyone, welcome to the Yellow Curry. And today's recipe is one of the most wanted street food recipe called Dahi Bada or Dahi Bhalla. For this we need white lentils or urad dal, that is 200 grams I have taken here. I have soaked it overnight and ground it in a smooth paste. Try to grind it without any water. If needed, then add only 1 or 2 tablespoons, otherwise we can't save the balls. Into the batter, I am adding salt 1 teaspoon, ground fennel seed 1 teaspoon, hing 1/4 teaspoon, ginger green chili paste 1 teaspoon. To make sure a nice aroma from the batter, I am adding all this. Now mixing it well with the help of a spoon. Now we have to whip the batter to incorporate air in it. Whip continuously unless or until getting a soft, frothy, white texture on top. The reason we are whipping here to make the batter extra soft and to get the soft fluffy balls from the white lentils. Whip the batter at least for 5 to 7 minutes. Now here is a trick to check the batter. You have to take a small portion from the batter and keep it in a bowl full of water. If our batter floats, that means it is ready. If not, you have to whip it again. In a bowl, I am taking some warm water because after frying the balls, we have to soak it in some water. So preparing that water first, adding some black salt in it. Now giving it a good mix and keeping it ready. After the balls will be fried, we have to pour it into the water and we have to keep it for some time. Here into the batter, I am using 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. This part is absolutely optional. If you want to skip, you can skip this part. But I personally think it adds taste, a lot of taste. Adding half teaspoon of crushed black pepper into it. Mixing it well. Now it is ready for frying. We have heated up some oil in a wok. And the oil should be moderately hot when we will keep the balls in the oil for frying. See, the balls are so soft and light that it is floating on the top of the oil. We have to fry the balls throughout on medium flame. Otherwise it will be cooked very fast. The top will be crispy and from inside it will be raw. Don't touch the balls now since it is raw. It may break. Let fry the one side well. When one side will be fried, then we have to flip the balls to ensure an even cooking from all the sides. Now turn the balls with the help of a spatula and continuously cook it unless or until getting a nice golden crust on top. Stir continuously to ensure an even cooking from all the sides of the balls. See, now the balls are looking bigger and holding a beautiful round posture. Isn't it looking almost perfect round in shape? See, it is looking so tempting. Now our balls are almost done. We have to keep it out from the oil and we have to pour it into the water mixture what we have already prepared. Take it out in batches. Don't pull all the balls together. Now dip all the balls into the water mixture. Turn the sides. Now cover it and keep it aside for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now in another mixing bowl, I have taken 500 grams of curd, whipping it well to smoothen the curd. Now it is ready and I am mixing some black salt, that is half teaspoon. Adding some roasted and ground fenugreek seeds, that is 1 or 2 pinch according to your taste. Roasted cumin seeds, that is 1 teaspoon. Sugar 2 teaspoon. And now whisking it well. Mixing all these well and keeping it ready. Keep it aside. And now see, our balls are soaking into the water for 10 minutes or so. Taking out the balls one by one. Pressing the balls to squeeze the water out of it. But remember, balls are very soft, so apply very low pressure and squeeze the water from it. Do the same on all the balls. Very light pressure on the balls you have to apply, otherwise it can break. These are very soft balls. Now adding the prepared curd mixture on it. Now to ensure a beautiful aroma out of it, adding roasted and ground fenugreek seeds, that is 1 pinch, roasted jeera seeds or cumin seeds 1/4 teaspoon, black salt 1 pinch, crushed black pepper 1 pinch, adding some sweet tamarind chutney, that is as per your taste. This is a very basic version of chutney. Using a spicy green chutney, that is also as per your taste. Adding some spicy red chili powder on top. Adding some bhujia save on it for crunchiness. And I have shredded some mint leaves just to ensure a beautiful minty aroma from it. I am adding this little bit on top. Now see the texture, how fluffy it is and how soft it is. So our dahi bada or dahi valla is ready to serve now. I have already served it. And I hope you like today's session. I request you make this recipe at home and share your feedback in my channel in the comment section. And please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.